gotta make a hand cream because this is thick. It's like in my rehab. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. It's Nicole for those who don't know. And for today's video, hold on, if you are subscribed, why aren't you? Like, seriously, why aren't you? You click that big red button and also turn on your post notifications so you don't miss when I post another video. Today we are going to be doing a bun. Not just any bun, a sleek bun. But not just any sleek bun. Sleek bun with the baby hairs. This is a quick 10-minute style that you can just throw in and go about your day. From the sneaky link to school, if you got a shift after school, from school to work. I have been guilty of looking a hot mess when it came to these sleek buns. Be like a curl hair, strand hair, frizz hair. And even though with curls, frizz is inevitable, which is one of the most beautiful things about curls, sometimes we just want to tame her and lay her down. I have developed some methods and some techniques that have helped me achieve that perfect bun. So if that seems like your thing, keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back at it again with some freshly co-washed hair. So I co-washed my hair the previous night. I was too lazy to do anything else to it. But right now we're going to be focusing on the part. So as long as there's a part there, I really don't care. But I try to make it precise for this video. So that's me just parting my hair. And then we're going to be taking my hair into two sections. I'm saying we, like you're doing my hair as well. I'm going to be taking my hair into two sections because that's what I'm just used to doing. Then I'm going to be spritzing this water and conditioner mix to start the moisturization. Yes, moisturization of the hair, because moisturized hair does behave best when it comes to any type of style. So I'm just taking my fingers and running that through, and I'm taking just a random moisturizer. This is a curl smoothie from OGX, as you can see on the screen. And then I'm going to go in with my favorite oil and just taking that along the shafts of my hair and focusing that on the ends, because we don't want them dry, crackly, ugly, dusty, musty ends. Like, no, that's not cute and that's not it. Now, I love working in sections because it allows me to get to every single strand that is on my head. The more sections you have, the more control you have over your hair. So that's key right there. Now for the girls that are a victim of that dusty, white, crusty, flaky, dry edges, focus some oil on them edges. Like you see me doing here, focus it on the edges and the visible parts of the ponytail. I promise you, it'll save your life. When doing sleek styles, you do want to make sure that your hair is detangled, because trying to sleek down hair that is knotted or tangled is just going to lead to bumps, and it's just going to make the hair harder to lay down. Then taking my favorite gel, the only gel that doesn't make my hair hard, I'm going to start the slicking process. It's a process, but it'll be worth it all in the end. Trust me, I got you girls. So yeah, I'm taking a generous amount and applying that to the hair. And you can't forget about the kitchen. You can't let nobody know what's cooking in the kitchen. So we got to get that too. Then I'm going to be taking a board bristle brush. Now with sleek styles, a board bristle brush is going to be your best friend. It just allows you to get that sleek, laid flat to the scalp look that you're looking for. I know a board bristle brush has always been my best friend since I was like doing bobos in elementary school. Then I'm going to be taking my favorite edge control and focusing that on my edges as well as the top parts of my hair, just to start taming the frizz that us curly girls do have to deal with. And again, don't forget about the kitchen. Make sure you're taking care of what's cooking in that kitchen. And for reassurance, I like to go in with a harder board bristle brush. You don't have to, but this is just to get into the nitty-gritty part of things and just smooth everything out. Whatever you do to one section, you gotta do to the next. So now we're going to marry the two sections together. I like to take the second boar bristle brush and start shaping the front to my liking. I was deciding whether I wanted a puff or a bun, but I decided to do a bun. And now the best tip ever is to braid your ends. It just allows you to focus on the other parts of the hair instead of worrying about the ends getting in your way and how you'll style your ends. And this just makes it easier to form it into a bun, in my opinion. And don't mind that bald looking spot. It's not a bald spot. It's just how my hairline is. My dad has it. Savon has it. So I guess it's hereditary. I'm not sure, but it'll disappear in the next clip or so. So don't try to roast me for that little patch looking thing right there. I don't know if it's just me, but I love making these little pigtails in the back of my head. Ever since 4th grade, I'd always make them because I loved playing with them. It would always be like a little distraction when I got bored in class. But now we're going to be taking a toothbrush to start everyone's favorite part of the hair tutorial, the baby hairs. Listen, do you see that big forehead? It needs a little coverage, so the baby hairs are my savior when it comes to this. So my baby hair process is really random. It depends on how I feel that day. So what I do is I just take out some hair. If I don't like it, put it back. If I do, I swoop it. And that's it. That's all. Make sure you're not using the same toothbrush you use to brush your teeth every morning, because that would be a problem. And that's just not cute. But as you can see, the process is take some hair out, like it, swoop it, don't like it, put it back. Now it's time to tie down the hard work and effort that we put into this sleekage. I like to tie down my hair with a satin scarf, and look at mine, it's so cute and pink. But we are missing our secret ingredient. Mousse. Mousse is going to be your best friend when it comes to those little hairs that don't want to lay down, or just any frizz that is left behind after doing all that sleekage. And then we are going to tie her up for 10 to 15 minutes or until you leave the house. We'll check on our masterpiece in a bit. Now for the big finale, let's take her off. What the freak? What was I doing? Oh my god. But look at that sledge. Look at the baby hairs. I don't see any frizz, do you? Because baby, it's sleek and shiny. I look all serious, but I really feel like this inside. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also turn on your post notifications so you don't miss when I post another video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!